What's up? It's your man Rell back in the building. We are still in the kitchen cooking, meal prepping. We've been here for about 5 hours now cooking. So we're trying to get done for the week. So we almost finished. Got one more meal for y'all real quick. These are the breakfast frittatas. So a lot of times we on the go. We ain't got no time to do anything. We do the breakfast frittatas. Those take really quick to make. I've already been pre-cutting and cooking some vegetables. So this is gonna be really easy. Right here I got some peppers and stuff that I cut up from what I made earlier today. And I'm gonna use egg whites because that's what we do here. We do egg whites. So I got my oven preheated at about 320, which is ready. We also got some other stuff going on. Mama made them greens. So I'm about to bring y'all over her. So you see what we're doing over here with the frittatas. So really simple. I got my dishes here, your muffin pans. Take the muffin pans. Should take this back here. So all we're gonna do is spray these real quick just so they don't stick. All right, we're cooking oil in those. All we're gonna do is fill these things up, each pocket up with some vegetables. And I got a vegetable medley of peppers, onions, mushrooms, all different colors. You put in whatever you want. We love our veggies. So, you never go wrong. These gonna probably cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. That way in the morning, all you gotta do is pop them in the microwave for about a minute or two. Eat them on the go. Eat them on the go while you're in the car. Mama got these greens over here. I need to pick some of these greens and put them in there. Smelling good.
You want some? We do need a green in here.
Yeah, we all right.
You want spinach?
She trying to put greens all over there. Doing what she do.
Hey. You might put a few in there for me. Yeah.
She loves those.
So I'm gonna put some in there. Just a few. You tell me what
you gonna put greens in your frittatas?
Yes, I am.
See what we doing here?
Tell me what I can do.
Don't matter. Pick a pocket. Don't matter. Put them in there. Pick a pocket. They don't matter. Whatever.
Okay. It's like spinach.
Okay.
I'm gonna do 3.
Okay.
You know what? I see you giving them that look. I don't care. Those are mine.
What?
You don't have to eat them.
Oh, they're gonna probably be good. That's what probably it'll be.
Do you want me to do some more?
Doesn't matter.
See y'all?
Creative. That's why we call it mixing in the kitchen. That's what we do. We got music.
Yes.
And we got food.
Yes, we do.
Because that's the DJ in me. That's what I do.
Yes.
Gotta have. So, cut these babies up some more. Fill these up.
By the way, these are mustard.
Okay, easy with the greens. You
I
gotta put the egg.
I didn't mean to put that much in there.
These eggs gonna be all heavy. Mix them up. It's supposed to be making egg frittatas, not paperweights. Goodness gracious. Put like a spoonful of greens in these.
So now you know. Now you know how to measure it out.
I'm just saying, because it's light. You ain't trying to be itis on the road. No greens.
This is energy. No. This is energy.
All them greens.
But these are mustards and collards.
Mustards and collards with some turkey in there.
That were cooked with smoked turkey tails and garlic and onion and chicken broth. That's it. Okay, so this is done.
Alright, so just trying to pull some of these guys. Anyway.
I saw your side eye.
You're gonna get the side. Alright. These in here. Put these over here. Alright. Egg whites. Just gonna fill these up. Fill them up to cover them. Just to cover the vegetables. You don't want them too high, because they gonna rise a little bit. So and now you got something you can eat on the go while you're on the road. You ain't got a lot of time to cook. Cool, one container. Hmm? What? Oh yeah. She's whispering, telling us turkey bacon. So, like they didn't hear you. Anyway, I did make some turkey bacon that you can have with this. So I pre-cooked that earlier. I'll show y'all that in a minute. I could have just came on and said we made turkey bacon too. She camera shy. I ain't.
I'm prepping my bananas for my smoothies.
Smoothies. Alright. I think we're done here. Alright. So we should be good to go. Puff. Alright. These, we'll put them in the oven. 10 minutes, should be good to go. All right, so I'll be back. Oh, turkey bacon. So we got breakfast meats to go with your frittatas. So you can have a piece of bacon with it. Keep it rolling. All right, so I'll be back in a minute, let you see these when they're done, and then we'll be finished. So see you in a minute. Bam. Oh yeah, back again in the kitchen. Kale in the back doing her nanners. I forgot I got chicken too. So my frittatas are cooking. Also got chicken that I made. So I already pre-marinated this. Chicken breast with a little chipotle, Italian dressing, and ranch seasoning, garlic pepper, vicious dash seasoning, all of that. So they've been sitting marinating for about a half hour. Prepping the air fryer. It's on 400 for about 3 minutes to preheat. Gonna cook these for about 10, 12 minutes. See how they, it might be about close to, yeah, about 15 maybe, 10 to 15 minutes. We'll check on those. So doing those two. So we got a ton of food we cooked for the week. Literally a week and a half, seemed like. But no, you got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So a lot of food, but it's worth the time. So like I said, Sundays are meal prep days. We've been prepping for about 6 hours. But it's been fun. That's what you do. Put on some music. Football game was on earlier. NBA All-Star game about to come on. So we got enough to keep us busy. Then we're going to finally sit down and eat. So put this in a second. Be back shortly. Boop. All right, we're back. Frittatas are done. Took about 20 minutes at 320, but they came out pretty good, and they're gonna be delicious in the morning. Whatever. I got it. So, pretty good. So we are to pop these babies in the microwave. We got the microwave bacon. Turkey bacon in the microwave. So, all the prep's done. Here's the other pan too. But I'm tired. We've been cooking since what time? Ever. So, I'm tired. I'm about to sit down. Still got to put them all in containers. So, I got all these over here. And these two. So this is about that life. Sundays, meal prep. It is what it is, but that's how you stay ahead of the game. So, got any questions, hit me up, inbox me, DM me. We about to sign out. Wife, you got anything you want to say? Bye. All right, we out. Peace.